Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start a conceptual question of chapter 8 of class 9 physics. And the first conceptual question is, why are small gaps left behind the guiders mounted in the walls? Answer is that small gaps are left behind the guiders mounted in the walls at the end of roof and under the bridges. Reason why we left the spaces between them, small gaps. The reason is due to the thermal expansion of the guiders. Small gaps are left to give the room for expansion. Means we are giving a space between them for the thermal expansion. Usually one end of the guider iron structure is fixed and the other end is allowed to expand in summer into a left out gap. If no gap is left, the expansion will be cause the guider to block. You can write the conclusion by yourself, okay? Question number 2 is, why burns caused by steam at 100 degrees centigrade on skin are often or more serves than burn caused by water at 100 degrees centigrade. Now the question is that why the burn caused by the steam at 100 degrees centigrade our skin often that more serves stun burn the cause of water at 100 degrees centigrade. The burns caused by steam are more serves than the burns caused of water at 100 degrees centigrade. Reason is that when the steam changes back to liquid, its molecules are pulled close together by the force of attraction between them. Look at this one diagram. The loss of potential energy at the molecules is released as the form of heat. As the steams give out a latent heat and condenses into the water, the highly energetic molecules are emitted, so it produces more serves burns than boiling water. And you can write a conclusion by yourself. Question number 3 is, an iron rim which is fixed around the wooden wheel. It heated before the fixture. Explain why. Means that why we heat the iron rim before fixes in the wheel. Explanation is that an iron rim is heated before fixing around the wooden wheel because of expansion. Means that when we heat the iron rim, it's going to be expand. At room temperature, the diameter of the rim is slightly less than the diameter of the wooden wheel. That's why the iron rim is heated, it expanded. The expanded iron can be placed around the wooden wheel. When the iron rim comes at room temperature, it contracts and produces a tight fixed. Clear? Okay, now the next one is, why is ice at a 0 degree centigrade is better coolant of soft drink than water at 0 degree centigrade? Now ice at 0 degree centigrade, it's a freezing point, has a less heat energy than the water at 0 degree centigrade. According to the law of heat exchange, ice quickly start absorbing heat from soft drink. Therefore, ice at 0 degree centigrade is better coolant of soft drinks than water at 0 degree centigrade. Clear? This is due to the fact that for melting each kilogram of ice takes its latent heat of 3.34 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5 joule from the substance and hence cool the substance more effectively. On the other hand, water at 0 degree centigrade cannot take away such latent heat from the substance. Clear? And you can write a conclusion from the question and make it by proper. Question number 5 is, why we feel cool often? Perspiration. Perspiration is the release of high energy molecules. Look at the diagram, you have seen that one man, it's a perspiration. So precipitation depends on the temperature, and the temperature is measure of average kinetic energy of molecules of a body. During precipitation, the high kinetic energy molecules leave the surface area of our body. It decreases the temperature of our body. Therefore, we feel cool often precipitation. Okay. Inshallah, next conceptual question we will do in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.